Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. In my previous video, I have already shared a detailed roadmap on how to transition from QA to SDET. Now, let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you created a perfect learning roadmap only to drop it after a week? If you are a QA engineer trying to become an SDET, this happens every single time. And trust me, it's not your fault. You don't quit because you're lazy. You quit because your roadmap is designed for a perfect version of you, not the real you. We tell ourselves, I'll learn Java 2 hours every day, I'll do Selenium after work, I'll finish API testing this week, but after a full work day, family, mental load, these plans collapse. Then guilt comes in, and guilt leads to quitting. Consistency doesn't come from motivation, it comes from simplicity. The simpler your weekly goal is, the higher your chances of completing it. So, here's the system that actually works: the one skill per week rule. Week 1, Java basics. Week 2, Selenium basics. Week 3, API testing. Week 4, collections plus framework basics. One skill at a time. Focused, achievable, and trackable. You don't need 2 hours of intense study. You need 45 minutes of focused work. Enough to create progress, small enough to start every day. Daily tracking is toxic. Weekly tracking builds the momentum. Ask yourself, did I improve in one skill this week? Am I better than last Sunday? Let me tell you one thing nobody talks about. You can learn everything alone, but you can't learn everything efficiently alone. Working without guidance is like driving without Google Maps. You'll eventually reach the destination, but with unnecessary detours, confusion, self doubt, and wasted time. This is where mentorship changes everything. A mentor does three powerful things. A mentor is going to give you a structured path. You're not jumping between Java, Selenium, API, and frameworks randomly. Your learning becomes strategic, step by step, and aligned with interviews. A mentor would correct your mistakes early. One wrong approach in automation can cost you months. A mentor cuts that down instantly. A mentor keeps you accountable. You stop quitting because someone is guiding you, checking on you, and making sure you're moving forward. Mentorship is not about notes and tutorials, it's about clarity, direction, progress. If you can get a mentor online, offline, a senior at your workplace, a community, your entire roadmap becomes structured, faster, and far more consistent. Motivation comes and goes, systems stay. Have a specific time, place, and activity for learning. It's not just about becoming an estate, it's about stability, a better salary, a better life for you and your parents. Your consistency today shapes your future for years. The day everything changed for me was when I made learning non negotiable. Pick your next skill. Commit 45 minutes today, and your estate transformation begins the moment you stop negotiating with your goals. If you want guidance, structure, accountability, and a roadmap that actually works, hit subscribe and please tell me which skill are you going to pick up in the comment section below. Your SDET journey starts here.